Okay, true story. I'm in the 4th grade. I just wrote this really juicy note to my best friend Carrie, and in it, I tell her all about how much I love this boy named Austin. I think he's so cute. I want to date him. I'm in love. And then my teacher catches wind. She takes the note, opens it up, reads it, and then does the worst thing possible. She actually pins it to the side bulletin board for everyone to read. It was devastating. But let's face it, writing notes and passing notes is kind of fun, right? And while I'm not promoting that your students pass notes in your class, I want to bring back a classic note fold. My name's Elizabeth Peterson, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm a teacher. I knew I wanted to be one ever since I was passing notes in elementary school, and I love sharing creative ideas with teachers when it comes to building students' social-emotional learning. Now, what does note folding have to do with SEL? Well, if you know anything about SEL, social emotional artistic learning, you might know about Friendly Fridays. I'll put a link in the description with more information about that. But basically, it gives students an opportunity to send a friendly message to a classmate. And with this simple note folding, it could make things even a little bit more fun. So let's jump right in. So all you need for this is a piece of paper, a pen, and then you have a note. All right, so you're going to start with folding the bottom right corner up to create a triangle. And then you're going to take that part that is flapping on the side and flip that over to meet the edge as well. Flip that over and you'll see that there's this corner here. You're going to just fold the bottom part up and then fold it again so that you have that rectangle shape. This little triangle that's left over, you're going to flip it inside and tuck it in. Of course, you're going to write down who this is to. And then I always like to have a little arrow or something that tells what to do. In this case, pull to open. Opening is so easy and a little fun. And then you've got your note. All right, so yeah, I have some bright pink paper. Totally takes me back to the 5th grade. So let's do this again. You're going to take that bottom right corner, flip it up and match it to the side. That flap on the right, you're going to take that and match that up to the left side. Flip the whole thing over and then fold it into the rectangle shape. Take that little flappy thing and tuck it inside. And there you go. A hot pink note for a friend. And of course, once you get started, it's kind of hard to stop. This is probably going to invade your entire classroom once you get this started, but hey, it's a little bit of fun. So what did you think? Did it bring back a memory? Or maybe make you think of a way that you can make sending a student or a colleague something a little extra fun? Not only would this be a great way to change up a Friendly Friday, but you could do letter writing and have students fold their letters before they send them. They could write letters or notes to fictional characters in a book. Or write a note for someone at home and leave it where they can find it. Or write a letter to a former teacher, fold it up and leave it on their desk to find. Let's face it, both sending and receiving a note like this can really put a smile on your face. Now, if you enjoyed this quick how-to, you might want to check out my entire how-to playlist. There are a bunch of ideas that you can use to build your students' social-emotional learning, no matter what age they are. My name's Elizabeth Peterson. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.
Up, 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 up.